Lesson 4.2, Example 1. Randall earns money fixing computers. Is the relationship between the amount Randall earns and the number of days a proportional relationship? Show all your work to support your answer. All right, so my first step here is knowing that the constant of proportionality can be represented and found with this formula, y divided by x equals k, where y is the amount earned, so I'm just going to use a dollar sign, and x is the number of days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this first column and I'm going to substitute my values in place of y and x. So 175 is the earnings and x is 1, and 175 divided by 1 is $175 per day. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use another column to check to see if I have a constant rate of $175 per day. So 350 is my y value, and 2 is my x value. 350 divided by 2 is equal to 175. So again, I have a constant rate here so far in my first two columns. Now, it's important that you make sure that you check not only the first two columns, but you want to check it throughout, because all it takes is one column, so looking in this table, one column to be different for you to not have a constant rate of change. So let's check it with our last column here, 875 over 5, disregard the bell, 875 divided by 5 and I have 175 again. So the same rate is throughout the entire table of $175 per day. Therefore, there is a constant rate of change. The constant of proportionality here is $175 per day, which then we can answer the initial question here, which is the relationship between the amount Randall earns and the number of days a proportional relationship? And our answer to this question is that yes, it is, because we have the proof here. We have a constant rate of change.